Hi, this is Chef Regina Lee, and this is part of my cooking series, Quarantine Cooking. Since we are not able to travel right now, let's do it virtually with food. Today's cooking show is sponsored by BC Dairy, and we're going to be making these Macau Portuguese egg tarts with quality dairy ingredients with BC milk and butter. Let's begin. After 1 minute, the mixture should be sticky but coming together like this. Then, cover it for 20 minutes. Okay, the dough has rested for 20 minutes, so we will take it out and make sure that we have some extra flour because we're going to need to dust the surface. It's going to be a little bit sticky. We don't want too much, so we also have a pastry brush, or you can use an unused makeup brush. And you don't want hard bristles, you want soft bristles so that you can just, gently brush off the excess flour. So to shape the dough into the tin, all you have to do is have a little bit of water, wet both thumbs, press this in the center down, and you want your dough to soften a little bit so that you can shape this easily. So then what you do is after you press it down, you just use your thumb to push it to the side. And you repeat that for all the remaining dough. Okay, I know that's the hardest part done. Look at that. That crust over there, that's a spiral of the laminated dough. So I hope you enjoyed watching this cooking show, and we'll be very soon making your own Macau Portuguese egg tarts. The show has been sponsored by BC Dairy. For the full recipe and more tips, go to the link at bcdairy.ca. Now for the best part. Let's eat! So hot, but so good. And you hear the crunch. Okay, see you next time. Bye.